guys, this is Schulte and my student Bartas. He's preparing for European Championships in Valencia. And here we have a box modification drill. And our task in this drill is to improve, of course, cue control, scoring, knowledge, making sure that you apply correct tip position on the cue, making sure that you control cue at the proper distance. And with his training right now, we're gonna, at certain moments, make mistake reflection and make proper adjustments. So start from where you want. A little bit kind of pressure for you before cameras, but I think you will do well. Okay, so slide over screw. And the reason why I put this both here is because it always do that. So we have to become at the beginning, making sure that you aim on the cue ball. The ball striking was good, but aim on the cue ball higher. Instead of making position here, make position here. As I said, this is much better. So by slight cue ball adjustments make a huge difference. And now, again, if you have position from here, tell me where there was the position. Here. So it's better to screw back here. Play from this same position. So it's about mistake reflection. And here's much better choice because you have white cannons. So no, play from here. It's okay. We just do it because we do a video and people want to see how you are dealing it and how to you reflecting from mistakes. I know that the camera is a little bit off. Let's see. So in this drill you also get play a few opportune shots. And the reason why you got people here, tell me.
I was hitting too low.
A bit too low, so hit higher and get a good cue ball. So step by step we're gonna kind of reflect on that and make sure that the cue ball adjustments are proper once the mistake is done. So when you're kind of jacking up, you can almost aim higher on the cue ball, and in that way you can get proper cue ball direction. And now you can go back. This is not good. And also the cue ball was here, yes? So why, the question is, why didn't you play this red for pink here?
I wanted to remove this red.
Yeah, but you can do this later on, you know. And here, you can put it right there, make the ball here, and then open all the things. Easy shot. So I just explained to him that the decision can be a little bit more simple. Aim high on the cue ball. Same shot. Right? I'm telling you in Lithuanian language that he has to aim higher on the cue ball. He's not believing, so I said, no way he's gonna go there. No way I'm gonna make position for the thing. I said, you will just adjust your height. And aim higher. Aim higher, again. So guys, this is uncut scene. I'm not sugarcoating, this is how it works. He's, you know, a teenage boy who wants to be better. And he said to me that there's no way to get position here. I said, yes, you can. And he did it. So it's all about the reflection. Okay. But where you make the position? Yeah, but it doesn't go. So play again. Think about it where you want to land the cue ball. Play clean again. Maybe I have to just here, yeah. So play. Yeah. Okay. Now from here, you can play. I think I put it a little bit incorrect. Yeah. From here, he can make position for the blue, or he can back off cushion position for the pink. for the pink or for the blue? Play again. So in this situation, you need to use a little bit left, so it goes off cushion and to the proper angle right there. Just like that, beautiful shot. Now, just to make what you think for the viewers, where exactly you're gonna make position for which ball now?
This one.
Perfect. Okay, go. Just, you know. Okay, so you did a mistake, and now you just have to adjust the keyboard height, the height of the keyboard. Too soft, play again. So the mistake reflection is one of the most important things in junior or just in general development for the players. You know? So this time, just fit a little bit firmer. Perfect shot, well done. Bartas is doing really well. After each mistake, he makes corrections and learns something new. For the pink?
Yes.
A little bit overscrew. Okay, that was a beautiful shot. Very good execution. He played kind of drag shot just to slow down cue ball and make proper position for the cue ball. And here are a couple options you can do. You can go here. You can go there, that side. Okay, repeat the shot. What do you think in cueing what you did? What you could do better?
Aim higher.
Cool. And what else? Okay, so aiming higher, longer pause. Let's see where it's gonna go. Play again. So make your backswing even slower, okay? And aim. Firmer. So in this situation, what I do is that because you're playing with the side spin, when you play with the side spin firmer, I would advise you aim here more with the side spin. And then, come on. Okay, you have a middle ball. So in this situation, it was quite a little angle, so I needed to kind of say to him that you have to aim a bit thicker because you play with touch-up side. And here, of course, you want it to be here. And here, there is options. You can play two cushions for the right there. Wow, okay. Now, why you didn't get the position? What do you think? Show me the angle. Oh yeah, it was tough. Okay, let's say you play not from here, but from here. And can you get here?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, that's not good enough. Maybe you side spin.
No, more.
Maybe you could get somewhere else the cue ball. You play for the middle? For what? Okay, then play two cushions. 1, 2 here. So this is the learning process in real time. Okay, a bit softer. And aim a bit thicker because you play with spin and top on the cue ball. Wow, good. Much better. And play again just to make sure of cushion here. That would be brilliant shot. Softer. Smoother backswing and pause at the back. And then you will be able to play with spin much better. Play again. Guys, yes, I want from the person a lot, but he has to make a proper position because in European Championship, that those mistakes not gonna be forgiven, you know. So you have to play softer. Too long. Listen, too fast backswing. So smoother backswing, like smooth, pause, and hold it. More spin. Softer hands. So we now have a shot which is struggling at the moment. It has to kind of work on that. And we have a result. Yes, well done. A couple more moments. So you see, this is a great drill, you know, because you play off cushion, you play with side spin, you play stand shots, you play different kind of ranges, you know. You want it to be here or here? No, is this incorrect shot? Sorry. Here, Bartas would benefit if he plays two-way shot for the pink or for the black here. This is two-way shot. So he has to have more options when you have a possibility, because when you play on new conditions, you never know what's going to happen. Play again and play softer. Okay, more or less okay. And here there's possibility to get off cushion, to get position here, or you can get screw back forward middle. High on the cubble, just adjustment, height adjustment on the cubble. Okay, tip placement. Just place where you want. Yeah. Yes, and soft, delicate release. Well done. Okay. And here you can get position for the blue or the pink. Sorry. And continue from here. Why you play here?
I tried to go on this way.
Okay, just higher then. Okay, the last moment, so the last adjustment, Bartas wanted to be here, hit it a little bit too low on the cubble. And that's it. Okay, Bartas, so in this kind of short moment, what exactly you learned about the shots? What is the major kind of breakdown for you?
That I need to think a little longer, not rush the what I need to do.
What about tip positioning and different kind of shots?
I need to adjust my
Height, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Bartas, I know that it was on camera, it's a little bit pressure, but thanks for being here, and I hope that is gonna help you be a better break builder. And this is what we do for preparation of European Championships, and kind of short breakdown about how I train and how others train. Thanks for watching.